Hi viewers, you are watching the most surreal places in the world. Hope you will be admired and like it. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my travel mania.
My heart is set to healing. I got a feeling.
Number 10, DANAKI Desert, Ethiopia. The DANAKI Desert is a desert in northeast Ethiopia, southern Eritrea, and northwestern Djibouti. Situated in the Afar Triangle, it stretches across 136,956 square kilometers of arid terrain. It is inhabited by a few Afar, who engage in salt mining. A geological depression caused by the continental drift of three tectonic plates, the DANAKI Depression is one of Earth's most unusual environments. Renowned as the hottest place on the planet and home to salt lakes, lava lakes, volcanoes, and colorful acidic springs. Visitors can choose to spend 1 or 2 nights in the DANAKI Depression, depending on how much time they have and what they want to see. After hiking up Erdale, swimming in Lake Afrera, and or marveling at the incredible hot springs of Dolo, you will travel back to Mekelle. Number 9, Whitehaven Beach, Australia. Whitehaven Beach is on Whitsunday Island, Australia. The island is accessible by boat, seaplane and helicopter from Airlie Beach, as well as Hamilton Island. It lies across from Stockyard Beach, better known as Chalkies Beach, on Hazelwood Island.
My heart is set to healing. I got a feeling. My love to rise up. If you want to dance, you have to drag it.
It's possible to swim at Whitehaven Beach year-round thanks to the tropical waters sitting at a delightful 26 degrees. The shores are shallow, making Whitehaven a safe beach to swim of. Number 8, Lençóis Maranhenses. Lençóis Maranhenses National Park is a protected area on Brazil's North Atlantic coast. It's known for its vast desert landscape of tall, white sand dunes and seasonal rainwater lagoons. Lago Azul and Lagoa Bonita are two of the largest lagoons. The park's diverse ecosystem also includes mangrove swamps. The nearby towns of Barreirinhas and Santo Amaro do Maranhão are gateways to the park. Spanning 70 kilometers of the coast and stretching 5 kilometers inland, the Lençóis Maranhenses National Park is a playground for hikers, quad bikers, and swimmers keen to dip their toes into the clear waters that appear once a year. Number 7, Antelope Canyon. Navajo Upper Antelope Canyon is a slot canyon in the American Southwest, on Navajo land east of Lake E, Arizona. It includes 5 separate, scenic slot canyon sections on the Navajo Reservation, referred to as Upper Antelope Canyon, Rattlesnake Canyon, Owl Canyon, Mountain Sheep Canyon, and Lower Antelope Canyon. The Antelope Canyon is protected by the Navajo Parks and Recreation, and only authorized tour companies can take visitors to the canyon. Safety and preventing vandalism are the main reasons why everyone needs a guided tour. The canyon became unavailable to the public in 1997.
My love to rise up. If you want to dance, you have to drag it on. Just you and me, forget about the time gone. About the time gone.
Number 6 Notes on the Yucatan. The Yucatan is known for its tropical rainforests and jungles, as well as its being the home of the ancient Maya people. The Yucatan Peninsula is truly a travel destination that has it all. I think it has its geographical location to thank for this. Located on the far eastern tip of Mexico, the peninsula is flanked by the Caribbean Sea to the east and the Gulf of Mexico to the west. Number 5 Salar de Uyuni, Bolivia. Salar de Uyuni, amid the Andes in southwest Bolivia, is the world's largest salt flat. It's the legacy of a prehistoric lake that went dry, leaving behind a desert-like, nearly 11,000 square km landscape of bright white salt, rock formations and cacti-studded islands. Its otherworldly expanse can be observed from central Incahuasi Island. The wildlife is rare in this unique ecosystem. It harbors many pink flamingos.
I got a feeling that tonight will be the best night I can feel in. When I see you around, my heart is set to.
The best time to visit the Uyuni salt flats in Bolivia is between December and April, when the wet season creates a vast mirror effect. The dry season, between May and November, is best for seeing the stunning crystallized salt patterns.
Get it on. Just you and me, forget about the time.
Number 4 Meteora. The Meteora is a rock formation in central Greece, hosting one of the largest and most precipitously built complexes of Eastern Orthodox monasteries, second in importance only to Mount Athos. The 6 monasteries are built on immense natural pillars and hill-like rounded boulders that dominate the local area. Meteora is a unique area in Greece, and quite possibly the world. The wider area is full of impressive, massive rock formations. These rocks were formed millions of years ago. Over time, they were further shaped by the wind, rain, and other natural phenomena. Number 3 HONGHE rice terraces. The HONGHE rice terraces are a system of HANI rice growing terraces located in HONGHE Prefecture, Yuanyang County, Yunnan, China. The terrace's history spans around 1,200 years. The UYUNI rice terraces are recognized as the most beautiful rice terraces in China. The entire area of the UYUNI terraces is 51 square kilometers, covering mountains, hills, and valleys.
I got a feeling that tonight will be the best night I can feel in. When I see you around, my heart is set to healing. I got a feeling my love to rise up.
Number 2 Mount RORAIMA, South America. Mount RORAIMA is the highest of the Pacariama chain of tepuis or plateaus in South America. It is located at the junction of Venezuela, Brazil, and Guyana. A characteristic large flat-topped mountain surrounded by cliffs 400 to 1,000 meters high. If visitors want to go to the top of the mount, the only way visitors can climb to the top is from the Gran Sabana side of Venezuela. 1. Cappadocia. Cappadocia, a semi-arid region in central Turkey, is known for its distinctive fairy chimneys, tall, cone-shaped rock formations clustered in Monk's Valley, Gurame, and elsewhere. Other notable sites include Bronze Age homes carved into valley walls by troglodytes, cave dwellers, and later used as refuges by early Christians. The 100 meters deep SALAR Canyon houses numerous rock-faced churches. Famous for its unique rock formations and amazing hot air ballooning opportunities, the otherworldly landscapes of Cappadocia are one of Turkey's most popular natural wonders. Spring is an idyllic time to visit Cappadocia, beginning in May and continuing through June into early July. The vegetation of this semi-arid landscape is in bloom, days are warm while nights are cool, and rainfall is sporadic.
If you want to dance, you have to try get it on. Just you and me, forget about the time gone. About the time